President Tinubu, the Lord will make you to succeed. But you have to do some things. Seek the face of God. God can speak to you on your own. You will understand and be able to see so many sycophants that are working against your government, but they are pretending as if they are for you. This 2026, the Lord will expose them. Fight against this insecurity. It has become a tapeworm that is tapeworming the empty stomach of our society. It's already causing problem for us, and it's making people to lose confidence in your government. We know that you inherited most of these problems, but we believe the Lord has empowered you with what you need to do it, and it's our prayer that you will succeed.
For the government and every security officials, they've been doing their bidding, and we thank God for it.
There is no region in Nigeria that is secure now. Every part is feeling the heat of insecurity. And we pray that the government will continue to encourage our armed forces.
President, please be courageous. Anybody that's supposed to be picked, pick them. Anyone that's supposed to be tried, try them.